So the purpose of this short video is to show you the solution that I found to make this Logitech Pop Mouse not fall asleep or be jerky on the screen. So I got this nice Bluetooth mouse, and I found that if I left it alone for just a few seconds and then I grabbed it and tried to move the cursor would kind of not do anything and then jerk to the next position on the screen, which was very annoying and made it very unuseful. So after running around and asking Logitech a bunch of questions and not getting anywhere, I found the solution, and so I thought I'd share it with everybody else. So if you go into Device Manager, you can actually take a look at what is your Bluetooth controller and how its attributes are held. So if you open up, again, Device Manager, and then you go under Bluetooth settings, you open this up, you'll see that it has the Intel wireless Bluetooth right here. If you open that up, you'll see right here that it does not have a power management tab, which is where typically you can tell the Bluetooth device not to fall asleep. So instead of doing it that way, which it does not give you the option to, there's a couple solutions. Number one, if you say up here, View Devices by Connection, and then you go down and you see that right above the Intel Bluetooth area, there is this Intel USB 3 extendable host controller. If you open that up, you see it does have a power management tab. And then you make sure you uncheck this box that says allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. If that box is checked, then the mouse could fall asleep after a few seconds and cause you that jerkiness. All right, so that's the first place. Again, so you have to go under View Devices by Connection so you can find that. The other place, I'm going to put this back to the way it was, the other place that you need to take a look at is under the Human Devices Interface, or Human Interface Devices pull down. And so down here, there's a Bluetooth Low Energy GATT compliant HID device. You open that up, and it has also a power management tab, and you make sure you uncheck that. So both of those things can affect the Logitech mouse. And once I did that, I have a nice smooth cursor, and it does not fall asleep any longer. So I hope this helps you if you have the same issue. Thank you.